As a little girl, one of my favorite snacks were those animal crackers that come in a box, and I would carry that box around as if it was my own purse. I was so proud of it. But now I'm an adult, and I still want animal crackers. But this time, I'm making my own damn cute little box. It starts off with some flour. To this bowl, I'm gonna add baking soda and salt. Just whisk that up together. In this bigger bowl, drop some softened butter, 2 sugars, dark brown sugar so it gives it that deep color, and some white sugar. Some delicious honey, milk, and vanilla. You could flavor these however you'd like. Add spices like some cinnamon, maybe ginger, but I like this plain basic cookie because I too sometimes am a basic cookie. Next, gradually add the flour into the wet bowl. If you have a food processor or mixer, you could easily just throw it in there. But this is super easy to mix up on its own. At this point, when it looks crumbly and kind of like pie dough, if you ever made that, just swap out the spatula and use your hands to form a nice dough. This is seriously one of the easiest cookie recipes ever. I think the best thing about this dough is that there are no eggs in it, so I could taste test the dough. Divide the mixture and just cover it up with some plastic wrap. You could form a little disc like this. Cover it up. These babies go in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to firm up a bit. I've got my dough ready here. It's a little bit firmer, but not too hard, so it makes it workable. Now I'm putting it on a parchment sheet, and I've got another parchment sheet right here. The reason is because instead of sprinkling extra flour and weighing down the dough of the cookie, I'm just gonna use another parchment to prevent stickiness from getting onto the rolling pin. So just place it right on top and roll it out to a 1/4 inch thickness. Work your way from the center outwards. All right, this looks good. Let's take a peek. Yeah, nice and thin. Remember, we've got a little bit of baking soda in there, so it will puff up just a bit. I got these adorable cutters on the internet. They come in different shapes, so elephant, lion, zebra, giraffe. Not only do they cut the outline shape of the animal, but if you press this little gizmo here, bam, you also get the imprint. So take your cookie cutter, and I've got a little bowl of flour. Just dip it in there. Oh, God, this lion is wild. Press the cutter and the imprint, release, and here we go. A little lion. See what the giraffe one looks like. It's my favorite. Collect all the scrap dough and just form another disc, roll it out, and you can keep on cutting. They look so adorable. I feel like Noah, and these are about to go in the ark, AKA the oven at 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes until golden brown. The cookies are done. It smells so good. Now these need to cool down. If you touch them, they're a little soft. They need to cool down and harden a bit. Meanwhile, grab some of your favorite patterned paper and create beautiful origami boxes to hold the cookies. And there you have it, your own homemade animal crackers, complete with the cutest box ever. I hope you give this a try. I hope it brings back memories for you too. I decapitated that. So good.